He's also met with the BJP General Secretary Organization, BL Santosh. This meeting happened at the UP Southern. Now, according to sources, this meeting was essentially to discuss the upcoming by-polls in the state, the situation also in the most populous and the most critical state for the BJP in the country, Uttar Pradesh. Speculations are rife over a rift in the UP BJP. And all this is coming as a chief minister, remember, has been holding a lot of these regional review meetings after the Lok Sabha poll setback. But again, what has happened during these review meetings is that a number of these meetings have been skipped by the two deputies. And the two deputies, Brijesh Pathak, Keshav Prasad Maurya, they decided earlier to skip the regional meetings with the chief minister. The BJP state president, Bhupendra Chaudhary, also did not attend the Moradabad region meet that was chaired by the chief minister. And this makes everyone wonder what's going on to the BJP maintains that all is well in Uttar Pradesh.
समाजवादी पार्टी को सोचना चाहिए कि समाजवादी पार्टी कहीं कांग्रेस की वाईफाई तो नहीं बन रही है, क्योंकि कांग्रेस को नीतियों के खिलाफ समाजवादी पार्टी का जन्म हुआ था और 30 सालों की कड़ी मेहनत के बाद समाजवादी पार्टी ने हम लोगों के जैसे लोगों के सहयोग से यह कांग्रेस विरोधी नीतियों के नाते उसको समाज विरोधी या दलितों पिछड़ों शोषितों के विरोध में रहने की वजह से कांग्रेस को उत्तर प्रदेश से हटाने में कामयाबी मिली थी। लेकिन आज के दिन में अब मुलायम सिंह है नहीं, अब वाईफाई बन गई समाजवादी पार्टी और कितना अपना हरा भरा खेती कांग्रेस से कटवाना चाहती है।
And those responses, remember that you've also heard from a lot of these allies say that all is well. But the opposition says that this is nothing but just an attempt to divert attention from the real problem that the UP BJP is facing. And clearly, more ammunition now to corner the Yogi government. The SP chief Akhilesh Yadav in particular, almost every day has been taking a dig at the Yogi Sarkar. He says that the people of Uttar Pradesh have been cheated. And he says that Keshav Prasad Maurya, the deputy, is the password of a Delhi Wi-Fi. Also going on to say that he's a pawn in the hands of Delhi.
सुनने में आया कि मौर्य जी मोहरा हैं, दिल्ली के वाईफाई के पासवर्ड हैं, तो बताओ सरकार चलेगी ऐसे? क्या सरकार चलेगी बताओ? और जिन्होंने बिगाड़ा है सब कुछ, क्या वो लोग ठीक करेंगे? तो यूपी ऐसे नहीं चलेगा। यूपी की जनता को इन्होंने धोखा दिया है, यूपी की जनता का इन्होंने सब कुछ बर्बाद कर दिया।
देखिए, सवाल यही है कि जब कैबिनेट की बैठक होती है तो दोनों डिप्टी सीएम गायब रहते हैं, तो ये सवाल तो उठेगा ही। और ये सवाल समाजवादी पार्टी ही नहीं, उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता भी पूछ रही कि आखिर उत्तर प्रदेश भारतीय जनता पार्टी में क्या चल रहा है। केवल संगठन में नहीं, सरकार में क्या चल रहा है कि दो डिप्टी सीएम जो कैबिनेट मंत्री हैं वो कैबिनेट की बैठक में शामिल नहीं होते। तो सब कुछ ठीक नहीं है। इसको बताने के लिए यही काफी है कि कैबिनेट बैठक में जो है दोनों डिप्टी सीएम सामने नहीं होते। इसलिए आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव जी ने कहा कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी में सब कुछ ठीक नहीं है।
भ्रष्टाचार की बंदरबाट का बराबर का बंटवारा हो, शायद यही बात करने गए हों। भ्रष्टाचार जिस तरीके थाने, कोर्ट, कचहरी से लेकर के तहसील, जिले से लेकर के सब जगह पे भाजपा वाले आरोप लगा रहे हैं, वो पैसा शायद बराबर बराबर बांटने गए हों, क्योंकि जनता की भलाई का तो इन्हें कोई काम करना नहीं है, महंगाई कम करने का कोई काम करना नहीं है, रोजगार देने का कोई काम करना नहीं है। तो ये शुद्ध रूप से अपनी आंतरिक लड़ाई और भ्रष्टाचार का बंटवारा करने के लिए दिल्ली गए हैं, ऐसा हमारा मानना है।
We also have our colleague Adib, who's been tracking all developments, joining us on the phone line right now. Adib, what is the buzz in Lucknow? You know, a lot of this conversation now has moved to Delhi. People are wondering whether you will have that one-on-one meeting between Yogi Adityanath and the Prime Minister. And in case that happens, Adib, what is it that will lead to? Will Yogi continue as the Chief Minister? Could there be a change? What is the buzz?
Well, see, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath from time and again has proven to be a big asset for the BJP. And in fact, during the last assembly elections, we saw that how Prime Minister Modi was greeting Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in Raj Bhavan of Uttar Pradesh. So Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, BJP still has confidence in him, and it's most likeliness that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will remain the CM phase of Uttar Pradesh, and under his leadership, BJP will be preparing for the not just the assembly by-polls, but also for the 2027 assembly elections. What we are picking up is that if a meeting is going to take place in Delhi between Prime Minister Modi and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, he will be briefing him about what has happened in the Lok Sabha elections and how now the BJP, Uttar Pradesh BJP is preparing for by-polls. In fact, when Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is conducting review meeting, he's asking all the public representatives, which includes the MPs, MLAs and MLCs, to prepare not just for by-polls, but to start preparation for the 2017 assembly elections. So this just shows that CM Yogi Adityanath is confident that he will there will be no change in the leadership of Uttar Pradesh. In fact, the Delhi leadership, the senior leaders of BJP in Delhi will try to make things in control. What's going on the situation in UP?
But Adib, after what you've heard from at least Keshav Prasad Maurya, people are really wondering that will he be changed then? Because he's always been speaking of the Sangathan. He said Sangathan Sarkar se bada hai. तो इसका क्या मतलब है? Could there be a change vis-a-vis Keshav Prasad Maurya? I think the next few hours very critical. Adib, we trust you to keep us ahead.